Good morning. We made a stop in Lake City, South Carolina last night. We are on our way to Savannah. And this is my new way to keep Gianna contained and out of the way while we hook up.
Good morning, everybody. We made it to Savannah, Georgia. We're at the Creekfire Motor Coach Resort or something like that. We've been here before once and we liked it so much that we said we're gonna come back, and we did.
So we just had lunch at Paula Deen's, what is it, Creek Grill?
Creekhouse.
I had, what did I have? Mahi tacos. They were really yummy. It had like pineapple, salsa, red onions, black beans on it.
Yeah, I was very impressed because usually celebrity type restaurants, the taste of the food is like okay at best. But actually everything was real good.
What did you have?
I had the country pot boil or whatever, low country pot boil. I'm sure I'll correct it later. But it's a good place to bring kids to, because if you sit outside, there's just a big open play area where kids can run around. And as you'll see here, where I'm gonna post, Gianna was just playing around, having fun while we were eating, and no one cared.
Yeah, it was very entertaining and stress relieving for me. Head northwest on Turnbull.
I'm at the Tybee or Tybee, I don't know how to say it. I'm gonna have to ask Lighthouse, and I'm gonna climb this one by myself because Gianna is asleep, so Katrina's in the truck with her. So let's go up and see. Hopefully this time I won't be scared like the last one.
I know you're strong to get yourself together. Things still get better if you just believe it. Yeah, it's getting cold, the waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me. Yeah, I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. Oh, I'll be your guiding light. Oh, I'll be your guiding light. Oh, I'll be your guiding light. Oh, I know that it's getting cold, the waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be.
Oh, my love, you're such a fragile thing, I know. And with the winter comes the ice, the snow, but I'm here to hold. And oh, my love, don't worry about the cold just yet. The trees haven't started to shed. Just feel the summer sun as it warms our bed. I'm lying, and I'm lying when I say I'm not afraid, but I'm trying to shelter you from pain. Here I am on the run now, been there for way too long. I'm off to chase the sun now, for you know I'll be gone. You were the better actor, but then you looked away. I headed for the back door, no longer parted in your play, in your play. And all the king's horses, and all the king's men, they will try to find me, but they never will. They wander and wander, I hear every stand of all the king's horses and all the king's men. I got the stars above me, I'm safe here in my nest. The last thing that you hear of me, and I learn from the best. I hear the lonely shadows call out my name tonight. You tried to aim your arrow, and so I left without a fight, without a fight. And all the king's horses and all the king's men, they will try to find me, but they never will. They wander and wander, I hear every stand.
But we decided to stop at a rest area because Gianna cried and screamed for 30 straight minutes. And as I said before in a prior video, anytime we go anywhere, you gotta add 2 to 3 hours to our regular travel time.
Say hi, Gianna. Hi.
So we're on our way to, what's the name of that winery? I think it's called Carlos Winery or something like that, where we're gonna stay for the night. Found this place with Passport America. We decided to get a membership with them, and with them we only pay $20 a night to stay at this winery, so that should be interesting. It's also a Harvest Host type place too, so for those of you with Harvest Host, you can stop there. So we finally got a little smart and decided to food prep for our trips instead of just pulling over and buying stuff. We made it to the winery. It's actually called Carter's. What is it? I forgot already.
Cartersville.
As you can see, they parked us right next to the vineyard, so that's pretty cool. Looks like a pretty cool place. Not bad. 20 bucks for water and electric. And if we wanted sewer hookup, it would have been 30 bucks. At 4:30, they have a meet your neighbor type wine tasting, I guess I'd call it.